Hey guys, this is Bruce. What I've been doing for the last 20 years is governance, risk, and compliance. That's cybersecurity. It's a branch of cybersecurity. It's information system security type stuff. It's not entirely technical. There is a technical component. So what I want to do is introduce you to one of the frameworks that's used. It's a connection, a web of rules that's used throughout the industry. This is not the only one. There's many. Governance the government has one called the nist 800. If you go to Europe, they have one called GDPR. If you are in the retail sector, they have one called PCI DSS. If you and on and on and on. Each one has their own different rules and frameworks, and regardless what industry you happen to be in, they have to follow these best security practices. And what I'm going to be rolling out over the next few weeks is something called a GRC roadmap. And I'm going to be using NIST cybersecurity framework to explain to you how governance, risk, and compliance works. Now, today, what I'm going to do is talk for about 20 minutes and break this all down so that you can have a simplified understanding of what this is, and then I'll open it up to any questions that you guys have. So I'm not ignoring you. I just need to get through some of this content, and every week I'll roll out little bits and pieces of it. So let's get started. So governance, risk, and compliance. The best way I can explain what this is in a practical way is to show you one of the frameworks. And to do that, we got to start off with where you're actually at. This is the book, by the way, a workbook that's going to come with a course that I'm releasing. But you're going to get, since you guys watch me on a regular basis, you're going to get a very clear understanding right now for free. And if you follow me over time, I'm going to walk you through this entire roadmap and explain to you any questions that you have. I'm open to it. When we go through this, in the future, I'm going to walk you through how to actually do some of these things. So it's not just me teaching you, it's going to be me walking you through it. And that's going to come a little bit later over time because I got to build you up into this.